Hey guys, and welcome to Total Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the wiper stalk. This is for the A6, S6 and RS6, C5, saloon and Avant models. Let's take a look. So to remove your wiper stalk, as you can imagine, there's a little bit of strip down work you've got to do before you get to this stage. You've basically got to remove your airbag, then your steering wheel, and then your upper and your lower steering wheel cowls, and also of course your clock spring or your squib that sits on the front of here as well. So only once you've removed all of those can you kind of get the access that you need to actually get this removed. We've already filmed videos actually on all of those parts, so if you're unsure on how to remove any of those, we'll add links for you below this video. Go down, check out those links. Any you're not sure of, have a look at those videos, get to this stage and I'll show you how to actually get this stalk removed. Now just bear in mind we do have an electrical connector on the back when we do this. Basically just in here you've got this little little tab, and this is what's holding this on. So if I press this in like so, you've got to press it in quite hard. Press that in quite hard there and just slide the whole thing forward. There. And that'll allow you just enough space to get it off, and then I'll twist this around a little bit and I'll show you the electrical connection on the rear. So here we are, I've got these two big connectors on the rear. I'm just going to carefully pop these off. Like so, that's the first one there. Okay, for the bigger connector here, I've got these little compression tabs on the side. Just push those in. Just draw the whole thing forward, like so. That will just come off like that. And as you can see there, that is your wiper stalk removed and ready to go.